Okay, guys, we are back again on new video reaction. We are back again on video reaction. I just want to go through this important information. Some of us are aware of it, some are not, but we have to talk about it because it's very important. This is Biafra, the Republic Government in Ezra, the one that Nkere and their group are managing. This is their website, and this is just their new update. I mean, what I mean by new update is that they have removed people that I was in the website before, which is okay. Okay, I'm not here to mourn about that. I'm just trying to remind you that what you're watching now is the current state of their website. Okay, and why are we here, you may ask? We are here to talk about one individual, somebody that Biafran need to know. You need to get used to him because he have done one of the terrible things that Nkere have done today. You know, when we often talk about Nkere, but is Nkere the only person that involved in those nonsense they have done? No. Why? Because most of them are just like a tool in hands of Nkere. But we need to discuss about them all. Kekwe Nkate is Muhammad Ali na the Ikekukwa. This is a Nkere and their group. You guys cannot stop, Well, anyway, let me not go there. We want to talk about one particular person. That is why we decided to, visit this website. Somebody is the one that hijacked the account of cryptocurrency. Many of you are aware of it. That Biafra have there's a crypto, a currency. Biafra coin was launched, and that Biafra coin and the account, everything was is being managed by someone, and that person, nobody is talking about him. Some of you are aware of this issue that the Biafran government and Biafran cabinet members have said in the past. They made mention of it, and we're going to talk about it. That issue is that Nkere refused to, send money to Uche during the convention. And Uche called and called and called. If you pay attention, maybe if you remember, because I know you guys pay attention, but if you can recall back, during the time of the attack, when the Sona Barawa jumped on social media, started using his platform to preach nonsense that lead to division and separation of everybody, that decided to go separate way as of now. If you have paid attention about it, maybe if you care to know, Sona Barawa says something then that Uche was disturbing PM, disturbing him to send money. That if not that Nkere send the money, that there's nothing, they wouldn't have done anything about declaration. That declaration happened because Nkere managed to send money to them. That they keep on disturbing. Some of you are aware of what I'm saying. Now it happened that money in the account that Nkere is managing. They asked Nkere to send money. They needed around 50,000 dons, and he refused to. He refused to send the money. He said that there is no money, that he don't have any money. Look at these people. They have updated PM, and oh my goodness. And they quickly, put PM. Look at what they have done. I'm coming to the issue that brought us here. Don't worry, we are going to discuss about it. If you open the website, okay, the first thing you see here is government administration. First is PM, Ekpa Simon and Joko, LLW.M. I don't know what that means, but nevertheless, here it says Prime Minister, bracket in detention, Biafran spokesperson. Do you know why they add this Biafran spokesperson under his name? Do you know why? Because they want Nkere to also give avenue to accommodate Nkere his own. Now you can see Nkere. Where is Azayayog? Where is Azayayog? Is this Nkere? Is it what he has in his passport? That's a story for another day. Now, as you can see here, let us locate the person that is in charge of that Biafran coin account. Like as I was saying, Nkere claimed there's no money in the account, and his assistant managed to screenshot the balance of the account and send it to COS and Biafran cabinet. They saw it and they questioned Nkere. He refused to come to address Biafran to know why he said money is not in the account, whereas there's money in the account. Then after, as he refused, he don't want to talk about it, he don't want to pay attention, he don't want to listen to anybody. Then Biafra called this guy that we are going to see now. Okay, our brother, can you just remove the account in the website that are Biafra and paying money, are donating money or buying coin, anything at all? Remove it so that we can put this new account there, so that the money will be not going to Nkere, who refused to give account. You know, when we talk about this account, it's a simple thing. It's not as if they don't need the money when they asked for that account, even though it was rumored that PM have asked him to give account in the past and he dodged it. Now, even if PM have not asked that, during the time of conversion, Biafrans needed money to sort things out in Finland. Okay? To sort things out in Finland. And he refused to give money. He claimed that there's no money left in the account. Remember, the account is the account that he opened noonly after the first one had issue, according to him. And he was instructed to open the account, and he opened that account. And when they asked him to transfer money, they needed around $50, like I said. He refused to do that. He said there's no money in the account. But when his assistant or the second person who is not able to pull money from the account, but she is able to, check how much in the account, she screenshot the balance and sent it to Biafrans, and Biafran, had knowledge of what the account is all about. That the account, as of that time, they have almost $68,000. Okay, but what they needed was 50. He refused. He said there's no money in the account. Then, because of the fear and people, was like, what is going on? Although he later sent money, but he sent the money and said he later sent that 50,000 out of pressure. Like people begin to start calling him, putting pressure on him, and no, that they need the money. They need money. He said, okay, that he's going to borrow money to you, to Biafrans. That he's going to borrow money to Biafrans. And remember, Biafrans are aware already that 68 was in the account. They now ask him, okay, how can you say you are borrowing no more money, whereas we have money in the account? That is where the whole issue started. Now, this brother that we are going to see his picture now, that's why we are going. What we are seeing here is the current members of Nkere government, okay, of their own country, because I don't understand this individual refused to change that account to add new account, so that Biafran coin will continue be the way Biafrans have perceived it to be. Like nobody will notice any issue. He refused, like I said. Okay, now let me not say anything. Let us just continue. Okay, this guy you are seeing here, he's supposed to be in the public. Why? This guy called Azubike Nwadei. I think I hope I pronounced Nwadei. He is the one in charge of that account, and he refused to add it to new account. He said until that Nkere must be the one to approve it. Why I'm bringing this to you, because this is element of Cabal. What Cabal is all about. Look at him. Nobody know his face. Nobody know him, because we often talk about Nkere hijack this one account, hijack this account. This is the enabler. This one man is the enabler, number one person that initiated that idea, or that made it to happen, made it possible for Nkere. Nkere don't know anything about technology. This one was the one. He's the person that is in charge of coin. I don't know if he's the one that's in charge of IO. Is it IO loan, something like that? The loan that I don't think he's one, but cabinet members and Biafran who know better than I do, you may correct me on that on comment section. But what I was told is this guy is the one in charge of the coin. And when they told him to change that account he refused. He said until Nkere permit him to do that. Without it, nothing. He ignored all the cabinet members. Remember, there are almost 20 something or 30 something in the cabinet then, and they decided to cast votes. Let us cast votes and see who is in support or who is against. Everybody voted in that meeting. He refused to vote in support. He voted against, and even despite winning him, that Biafra won that vote, he insisted that he's not going to let it be. That is when they have. When I said these people have already decamped before Finland convention. I know what I'm not kidding. What makes you think that this guy refused to obey cabinet members who claim that they are piloting they're running their government based on numbers? I mean, when people voted and when based on people that have voted and cast their vote, he refused to do that. So this is number one person. If you are looking for money, Biafran money, this guy is the one that facilitated that issue. This very guy. Now, your question may be, what next? Like after he refused, what next? Biafran government next need to part way with him. And today, look at him. He is now Director of Technology and Innovation, meaning that he is the one in charge of this website, I believe. Even to remove other Biafrans and put all this Cabal group here. This is the lady that we talked about her a few days ago. I don't want to go there then. And all of these people you are seeing here are their new members. And this lady was the one that contacted me a few movies ago, saying that I accused her of something that I did not even talk about her at all. She was questioning me to come and swear with her gods. And then I don't know. Anyway, you can see the names of the new cabinet members and everything. And Nkere country. Look at it there. This is the man. This is another person. Emma Madabo. This elderly man here. He is the one that says he's a chairman of conflict resolution committee. The same cabinet had meeting and voted, and number of people, Biafran cabinet members, after voting, warned them that this conflict resolution committee should be dissolved peacefully, and it was pronounced. Only those that are championing chapter, like and most of them are, like Sana Barawa and rest of them, they are the one that voted in support of maintaining this conflict resolution before the convention. Then why do you think they insisted that conflict resolution committee should remain? This conflict resolution committee should remain, and this man should be their chairman, because they know the work that they are gonna do for them in time to come, which is what we are seeing the result today. Why I'm saying all those things for you guys to begin to connect the dots. People may say whatever they wish, but the truth remains that most of these people that you are seeing here now are the one that are pushing Nkere, pushing me, and Biafrans are running helter-skelter the way it is today, simply because of these people that you are seeing here, especially this guy, Sonak Barawa and Van. These two. He's always proud to call himself. He said that 3 wise men. 3 wise men. He gave up. Although that case otherwise, a man people can rush you. Now, this is Nkere himself. So my people, this guy. Let me go back. Let's talk about him again. This man. Let me bring his picture. Look at him here. People need to take note of him. Like, get used to his face. He is the one that hijacked. Through him, Nkere was able to hijack Biafran coin, and they are now doing some crooked movement now to return back Biafran coin to Biafrans to start. I'm not here to tell you what you are. You already smarter than that. If you fall to that, you're on your own. allow them to finance it and do it the way they wish. The Biafran government in exile should remain the way they, all of them, some of them, not all of them, travel to Finland to declare Biafra. I saw this lady there, Professor Chioma Okoma. I saw her there, and I don't know this person, to be honest. This man, Dr. Jerry, I think his face looks familiar, like what we saw in Finland. Of course, I know this lady. I saw her there. Of course, Dr. Joy Irobi is this one is the one I know her I saw her in the video, not that I don't know her in person, but I saw her there, and I of course this one also was in Finland as well. Most of them were in Finland, and the video and everything is there. But guess what? After declaring Biafra, they fall back to they fall back to bridge. The question is who pushed them back? And Sana Baro did not go. The smartest of them all. He's the smartest of them all. Even Nkere, they learn work. This guy is the only one that's not losing anything here. And I will tell you why. By the time they're telling you, by the time his own Biafrans, like people from his own side of part of Biafra, begin to question some of this position there, he will join them and do the campaign. And those people one will be on defensive side. Oh, no, we don't mean that. We don't mean that. But you said you are running conflict. You want to run a confederation system of government. Yes, okay. Then why are you against decentralization of army? Why are you against it? Because you want to leave it the way PM made it, but not PM is not the one that initiated the idea of confederation. No, it was Mas Mamadou Kano that said it from long time ago. Okay, he mentioned that long time before PM joined. It had been mentioned that Biafra will be confederation state, and that is to tell you every region will do their own part and guide and protect them. But you have to have a central unit that will bring everybody together as a one country. Now they're kicking against everything because they want to maintain this thing you are seeing here. To see the pictures in the website is what gladdens their heart. People that live in abroad have better jobs. Some of them have a good job, but they're still hell-bent in making sure that everything is the way they want. So that is all I can tell you here. I don't want to delay you or slow this, make this video to be too long. Please make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. Tell me what you think about it. I have an important place to attend now, to go now. Please make sure that you like the video. Of course, see you again. God bless you. Bye bye for now.